Okay, linear equations. We will learn now about linear inequations. First, before going to linear inequations, we need to learn the basic identities that are required for linear inequations. That is one natural number that starts from 1 and it goes and continue like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100, 2000, 10,000, etc. Now, what is whole number? Whole numbers are the natural number which starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is basically the natural number, but it starts from 0. So that is whole number. Now what are integers? Next one is integers. Integers are those number which goes on both sides of 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 and -1, -2, -3. All of these are known as integers. Now integers can be divided into positive integers, and it can be also divided into negative integers. Sorry, not zero. In integers there will be no zeros, no zero. So positive integer and negative integer. Positive integers are plus integers. That means those which have positive sign or the plus sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Whereas negative integers are those with the negative sign, that is minus sign, -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. So these are the numbers which these are some of the things which we require in linear inequation. Natural number is represented as capital N, whole number is represented as capital W, and integer are represented as I. Now the next sign which is used in linear inequation is this sign. It is similar to the English alphabet capital letter E, but it represents belongs to. For example, let me give you a simple example. 4x minus 5 is greater than equals to 3 and x belongs to W. So here is one of the inequation, and in this case you can see x belongs to W. So when you solve the inequations like this, you need to get x, that is whole number, W means whole number. So in this equation you will get x as the whole number. Now let us understand by the example that is in your exercise. So 1, it is given as x plus 10 is greater than 4x minus 5. Here x belongs to integer. Okay, now there is little bit of difference between the equations and inequations. Equations is always denoted by the sign equals to, whereas in equations there can be the sign less than or greater than, or less than equals to, greater than equals to. So here the work is not done as the normal equations, but there is a little bit difference. So here you go, x plus 10 is greater than 4x minus 5. Now you need to assimilate x in one side and the numbers in another side. So in this case what I will do is that since this one is greater, I will try to compile x in this side and numbers in this side. So here x, okay, minus x plus 10 is greater than 4x. Since you have put minus x over there, another minus x minus 5. Now if it was the normal case, if the equation was, for example, x plus 10 equals to 4x minus 5. If this was the case, then it would be an equation. So you could have simply written as 10. You can bring this x over here by saying 4x. Since this is plus x, it will go it as minus x and minus 5. So simply you could have solved it as 4x is equal 10 is equals to 3x minus 5. Again this minus 5 will come over here. So 10 plus 5 is equals to 3x, which will be equals to 15 is equals to 3x. That will be equals to 3x equals to 15. Again x 15 by 3, 3 5 are 15, so x equals to 5. If it was the case, if the case was of equals to, then you could have simply solved like this, but since it is linear in equation, you cannot do like this. So what you have to do is that you have to minus and add. So here in this case, to neutralize this x, I have to put minus x, so x minus x, they will cut it down. And since you have put minus x in the left hand side of the greater than greater than sign, you have to put another minus x in this side also, both the side, to neutralize each other. So x minus x goes cut down, and here you will get 10, which is greater than 4x minus x will be 3x minus 5. Now in the next line, what you do is that you have to bring minus 5 over here. You cannot bring it directly, so what you will do is that this is minus 5. So in order to cancel minus 5 from here, you need to add plus 5. So here 5 plus 10, so 3x minus 5. Since you have added plus 5 over here, you need to put down another 5 over here. So in this way, minus 5 and plus 5 gets cancelled. Minus 5 plus 5. So here you have got 15 is greater than 3x. Okay, so you can just rotate all those things. 3x is less than 15. Okay, now moving on to the next page. Here we have wrote 3x is less than 15, so 3x should be divided by 3. Okay, so since you will divide by 3, 15 should be also divided by 3 in order to get cancelled out. So 3 and 3 cases cancel out. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So in this case, x is less than 5. So this is the solution. X is less than 5, but we know x belongs to whole number w. In the equation we have seen that x belongs to w. So what is x is w? W means 0 1 2 3 4 5. So that means, so since x belongs to w, therefore x is less than 5. So x can be 0 1 2 3 and 4. That is your answer. Hope you have understood. If you don't understand, I can make another video for you explaining other things. Thank you so much.